Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is toluene, methylbenzene, a benzene ring with a methyl group. Moving on to the next step. Nitration of toluene using HNO3H2SO4 mixed acid introduces a nitro group, NO2, onto the ring. The methyl group is an ortho-para director, so nitration predominantly gives a mixture of ortho and para-nitrotoluene. The major product, A, considered here is para-nitrotoluene, 4-nitrotoluene, which is the predominant isoluble product. Moving on to the next step. The chem-mantra reduction, Zn amalgam with HCl, reduces carbonyl groups, C is equal to O to CH2. However, in this context, Zn, Hg, HCl acts on the nitro compound. Weight re-evaluating, Zn, Hg, HCl is specifically chem-mantra reduction for ketones aldehydes to methylene. But if A is a nitrotoluene, Zn HCl, not Zn Hg, would reduce number to 2NH2. And for the final step, with Zn Hg, HCl applied to para-nitrotoluene, A, the nitro group, NO2, is reduced to an amino group, NH2, giving para-toluidine, 4-methylaniline. But option B shows a benzene ring with CH2Me and NH2 groups, which corresponds to an ethylaminobenzene, not 4-methylaniline. Looking at option B more carefully, it shows a benzene ring with CH2Me, ethyl group, and NH2. If toluene is nitrated to give nitrotoluene, A is equal to 4-nitrotoluene with CH3 and number 2, then Zn, Hg, HCl reduces number to 2NH2, giving 4-methylaniline, 4-aminotoluene. The CH2Me in option B likely represents the CH3 group drawn as CH2 connected to Me, which is just ethyl representation of methyl extended. Thus product B is 4-methylaniline, para-toluidine benzene ring with methyl, shown as CH2Me meaning CH3, and NH2 para to each other. A still has a nitro group, so reduction has not occurred, incorrect. C shows an acetyl group with nitro, which would require oxidation not nitration of toluene, incorrect. D shows nitro group still present with an ethyl substituent, incorrect. Option B correctly shows the reduced amine product of nitrotoluene. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.